Good morning everyone. Hope you all are keeping fit and fine. Today we are going to start lesson 3, exploring tux paint. In this lesson we are going to learn about two very interesting tools. One is magic tool, the other one is stamp tool. So let's take first magic tool. Children, here it is magic tool. Selector bar displays various magical effects which we can see clicking on down arrow key and up arrow key like this. Let's take first blind tool. This acts as a curtain and it can be pulled down and across. Next is bricks effect. Two sizes are available here. We can select the smaller or the bigger size according to the place available in the drawing. Large size of bricks are Next is blur tool, which blurs the image. Now the difference is visible. Next effect is calligraphy. You can use this tool to write heading of your drawing. It appears as if you are writing with art brush. Children, now we come down and we find here fill color. Select the fill and drop. So it gives the color to the background. This effect gives glass tile like this. If you want to draw grass in your drawing, you can use this. We can change the color from here. This is for flower. And this is hexagon. This effect is rails. It can be used in drawing. This is rain. Two rainbow styles are available here. Let me show you the first one. You can add in your rainy season. This is the second style. These are snowballs which can be used in depicting winter season. I am clicking on undo. This is smudge tool, children. It is used to blend the color. And this one is string strippers, which can be used to give border. You can change the color and like this. You can give border to your drawing. This is very simple drawing, children, which I have made earlier using paint and line tools. Let's improvise this drawing by applying magic effects which we have learned just now. So first of all, we'll click on magic tool, then select small size bricks and apply this effect here. Now we will select glass tile and make design like this. And use this hexagon. We can change the color from here. Now in front of house, we'll apply grass effect. Take green color from here and drag them out. Use this rails in making boundary. Now in the clouds and in the river, let us use smudge tool to make them more realistic. We'll go to paint, select brush, take the color, put some drops, similarly here in the river also. Then go to magic tool, select smudge and mix the color like this. This way we have changed the look of the river as well as clouds. Similar type of we can give here in the sky also. We can go to rainbow option and start drawing from here. Children, now you can see that how we have changed the look of the previous drawing by using magic effects. In our next session, we will learn about stamp tool and further beautify this drawing. Till then, practice all the tools and effects which you have learnt so far. Enjoy drawing, stay healthy, bye bye.